Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss how to choose gaming laptop versus desktop PC 2022. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Gaming has never seen more options than there are today. Today's gamers can choose between a gaming desktop, a gaming laptop, a console, a portable console, or just playing games on their mobile. Their choice between a gaming laptop or a desktop PC is a hard one. Many factors come into play, and each option has equal pros and cons. Today's gaming laptops have come to par with performance on desktops, although they are heavy and run hot. A desktop is best for future-proofing, as the components can be replaced if they stop working. This video will discuss various factors that will help users make the best judgment. Which gaming setup is best for you? Price. If users go for a gaming desktop, the costs are higher as many components are needed. The desktop includes a monitor, keyboard, mouse, headphones, speakers, and the PC itself. To build a PC, the parts required are the CPU, motherboard, GPU, RAM, PSU, storage, cabinet, and cooling devices. A competent desktop PC that can run AAA games in high settings can cost up to $2,500. Going for a pre-built PC is a cheaper option, but users have less control over the components. Buying a laptop is straightforward for users, however, buying peripherals will still be necessary. The additional cost of a monitor, keyboard, and speakers is removed, and the saved money can be spent on a better laptop. Although laptops are quite costly, a powerful one costs up to $1,500 that can run the latest games in the highest settings. Performance. Gaming laptops have come a long way in the past decade, and manufacturers today pack desktop-level GPUs and compact bodies that manage to run games without too much hassle. However, when a PC and a laptop with the same specifications are put against each other, a PC will always take the win because of the thermal issues with laptops. PCs can have custom cooling that helps keep the system cool and stable under heavy loads. Laptop manufacturers have designed efficient cooling designs, but they're no match for a PC cabinet with ample space for airflow. Eventually, laptops start to thermal throttle to keep the system stable. Customizability. When making a long-term investment, it's better to have full control over the components being bought. When building a PC, users have many options for every component. Laptop manufacturers do offer customizability to an extent, but it's nowhere close to a PC. Moreover, components can be replaced on a PC when they stop working or require an upgrade. Only RAM and storage can be upgraded and replaced in a laptop, so if any of the other components become defective, a new laptop will be needed unless the service center can fix it. Also, the monitor size in laptops is unchangeable, so if users want to get a better monitor, they'll need to buy a new one and connect their laptop to it. Usage. With a laptop in hand, there's a portability and plug-and-play support, and users get a complete package in a compact body. None of those advantages are there if you own a desktop PC. If you're someone who travels a lot, a laptop's a better option, so you have primary device to play on and work on when you're moving. However, if you need a stable workstation, a gaming desktop is the best option to build around your needs and use daily. Verdict. Considering all the points, users can choose what suits them the most. At the end of the day, there's no better setup as each type has its pros and cons, and the choice changes from person to person. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.